Hello, everybody. Papa BitBrother here once again, and you're in the BitBrothers crypto channel. A place where you find the news and everything that's going on in this crazy universe of crypto. So, if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to follow us on Twitter and on the Instagram page. Okay, BitBrothers underline crypto, and that's it, guys. Today some bullish news and some bearish news. What's going on? Are we bottom yet? That's the main question of the year, isn't it? When we're bottom, guys. I believe from what I'm looking at, I'm studying many nice TAs and people that are very influential on the crypto market. I truly believe that we haven't bottomed yet. Okay, we still need some flush out to make sure we reach the next uptrend. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you some news here also for you to have your own opinion on it. Okay, definitely these days are not the best days to invest on altcoins. Okay, because if we bottom, like people expecting that Bitcoin will bottom at 12 to 13k, the altcoins will bleed, and that's the best time for us to buy. So what I'm trying now, guys, as much as I can, is to save money, save my fiat when this crazy bottom. Remember, guys, that I'm already placed. Okay, I'm already invested. I haven't sold anything. I'm down on my portfolio is down a lot, but I haven't sold anything. I'm still on profit in some of my coins because I bought them. I was lucky enough to buy just in the deep of 2020 after the pandemic. So I'm still in profit, but most of my coins, most of my game coins, most of my metaverse coins are down a lot. So what I'm having now is to just have my strong hands, diamond hands all the way. Okay, so let's quickly check the market first, so we see how's everything going at the moment, how much is Bitcoin and everything. Then we're gonna talk about some news there, guys. 915 billion dollars. Yesterday was about 950, so 35 billion dollars came out of the market. You can see the fluctuation here on Bitcoin, reaching almost 22,000 today at 20,560, 3.45% on the daily. Okay, so I just realized now that CoinMarketCap put it at 1 hour percentage. There wasn't this before. So yeah, Tether is still holding below a dollar, finding hard to go back to peg. Okay, USDC holding strong on peg. BNB very steady. All the coins are very steady nowadays, isn't it? Like XRP above 30, Cardano above 45, Solana above $35, Polkadot about 66.86. Guys, stay with us because I'm gonna show you where the money is going. Yeah, I have some charts here that show. Remember, we always keep saying to you guys, follow the money. What does that mean? Follow people who have loads of money, and check where they invest. Although many of them got wrong as well with Terra, but many times they go right. So of course you have to keep an eye open for where they invest. Okay, and the coins they invest, I'm going to show you in a bit. Then we're going to check the price of their coins. Okay, so just quick look at the market. Polygon, Litecoin, Chronos 11 cents, Chainlink. So basically, guys, we're having a massive reset here. I'm checking the prices now, and these are the prices that the coins were like basically in the previous, like after the pandemic crash. So we are pretty much there again. So we have having a chance again to reinvest. Okay, so here it is, guys. Here's step-by-step demo on finding and tracking smart money on YouTube. Okay, so this is cove.duck underline duck. I keep always posting things because he brings something really nice. He made a video on YouTube explaining loads of how to follow the smart money. I would advise you to go and follow him on YouTube as well. Okay, the most commonly held asset by crypto funds in Q3 2021 is Polkadot. Guys, 21 companies is holding Polkadot in the portfolio. Then it's Near Protocol. So if you say to me, like, oh, Papa, what what altcoins should we get? Guys, I would definitely advise, not advise you, but I would definitely say, look at this. Of course, everything here is not financial advice. Always remember that. Keep saying this, that I forgot. Let's just put in banners here. Saying our opinions, especially by guests and viewers, do not reflect the views of the channel. So do your own research, guys, always, okay? But look at this. We have Polkadot in first place with 21 companies investing in Polkadot, Near Protocol, Oasis Network, Terra. You can see here's Terra because this is from November 1st, 2021, guys. Of course, all of these 13 companies got wrecked as well. Okay, that's why I say we can look at it, but it's not 100% sure because look at this. It's in fourth place. You know, like as much as Near Protocol and everything else, we had 13 companies. And then we are... guys, I'm, full disclosure here. I am invested in Polkadot. I am invested in Near Protocol. I have Arweave. I have Solana. I have Avalanche. I have Filecoin. I have the Graph. Okay, these are the coins I personally have. But again, do your own research if you want to buy. But look, these are really good. I don't know which Dodo is. Dodo is the BitMax. Is it this one? Let's see Dodo. What Dodo do? I haven't heard of Dodo before. Let's see here. Dodo. I think it's an exchange as well, isn't it? From what I see, is an exchange. Yeah. So Dodo is a DeFi protocol, decentralized finance protocol on a chain liquidity provider whose unique productive market maker algorithm aims to offer better liquidity and price stability on automated market makers. Okay, so pretty much it's like an exchange. So yeah, so a lot of companies investing in Dodo. Okay, so guys, again, check it out, some of this, if you want to know where the smart money goes, check this video here. You can go to Cove_Duck and there's a thread there where he says this. Okay, so got a very nice thread. It's very big. I couldn't talk to you about everything today, but this is part of the thread. So basically Messari is an analyst, and he did a 165-page document talking about his predictions for the future of Bitcoin, and Cove_Duck did a summary of everything for you. Is there? So if you happen to measure, and then tech dev today, if you happen to measure portfolio value in crude oil purchasing power, majority of world's energy production, you would have an easier time understand the top was April 2021 and Bitcoin is over a year into familiar correction. Guys, so many people is saying that the top of the market wasn't the 69 but the 64,000. Okay, so to compare to previous markets, they say that the 69,000 was just like a kind of one-off event. Really wasn't really the top, like could sound like very kind of wrong, isn't it? You say, but how come 64 is not the top compared? Because at the time when we're 64, comparing to crude oil, the amount of money you could buy with 64,000 was much more than you could buy after when it was 69,000. That's what he meant here. If you compare to crude oil, the money purchase power, okay? So, and then he would say that we are on the correction phase since then. That's what he meant. And then we can see here the RSI is always at the bottom and then went up. And then we reach this middle top here. It's the same as that one. And we reach the bottom once again. Okay. And this is 2019. So basically, according to this, we have bottom already. Okay. Because if we compare to this RSI, we already starting to go up here. And you can see the reversal trend here. But once again, guys, speculation. We never know what's going on. Okay. Crypto and fear index today. Look at that. We are 22 today. Quite good. Last week we were 12, 14. Okay, so we went up quite well. But look at that. It's one of the lowest ever. This is the maximum chart here. Okay, it's from 2018. Since they've been measuring the fear index. And we are one of the lowest points here. We already reached on the 18th of June. Okay. That's when we reach the lowest probably. So according to this, once again, another metric that says we reach the bottom. Okay. So 5 events that could put an end to the current crypto bear market. This is what we're looking for now, isn't it, guys? Like I said, there's many metrics saying you already bottomed, okay? But there's many technical analysis that says that we haven't bottomed yet. That we need the last flush out to reach 12 to 13K. So be aware for this if this happens. If you're not aware, you can't take your time in the market. Just start with DCA, guys. Again, we keep saying this, not financial advice, but that's what we know. We know we should really look into it for sure. Always. 5 events that could put an end to the current crypto bear market. Crypto bear markets are rough, but there are 5 moonshot events that could turn the ship around. A successful Ethereum merge. Okay, this is the first one. One of the most highly anticipated developments of the past 5 years has been ongoing transition of the Ethereum network from proof of work to proof of stake. While the process has been drawn out, one that has faced numerous setbacks, the official switch is now closer than ever following the successful completion of the merge trial on the public test network Sepolia. Okay, so guys, they did the trial of the merge on Sepolia network and went successful. They did on the next one is the Gorley. They did one before the Sepolia as well. Was on the one of the MetaMask networks. Okay, so it also went well. There was some drawback, but then apparently the Sepolia went really well. Okay, so the second one is approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. Another event that has been rumored for years that could spark a crypto revival is the passage of spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund for United States markets. Ever since 2017, when the first BTC ETF proposed by the Winklevoss twins was denied by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. There has been one rejection after another for any physically backed Bitcoin proposal put forward. Guys, remember that in Canada, we already have ETF, Bitcoin ETF, okay? So everybody's expecting the ETF to come forward in America, and then this is going to be a very, strong trend reversal. SEC resistance to a spot Bitcoin ETF is becoming almost legendary. SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce hint she hates it as much as we do. The Fed reverse course, okay? Don't fight the Fed is a common expression investors use to explain one of the most influential forces on global financial markets. After multiple years of easy money policies and near zero interest rates, the U.S. Federal Reserve approved an interest rate hike of 0.25%, the first rate hike in more than 3 years. Guys, and now they keep putting higher and higher and higher. Of course, once the Fed stops increasing the interest rates, things going to get better, things going to normalize, and then we're going to go up from that. So the Fed reverse course. What does that mean? Stop increasing I think, it put like much more. Since the Fed has implemented 2 additional rate hikes of 0.5 and 0.75%, bringing the current benchmark interest rate range of 1.5 to 1.75. Okay, so much interest rates had risen in America, and then this brought all the investors to be fearful. Okay. Major adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender. Okay. Look at 2021. So El Salvador become the first country. So guys, more countries will have legal tenders. These countries are considering making Bitcoin legal tender. Mexico, Panama, Honduras, Portugal, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay. Guys, I'm in Brazil, and here I think from what I hear from the government, people are really, really, really interested in making Bitcoin and in cryptocurrency. Although the population doesn't know anything about it, but I know the government is really interested. Okay, hopefully soon this is gonna happen in all these countries, and then guys, it's just gonna be like to the moon. Integration as a payment option by a large company. Okay, and it's the last one. Okay, once we can pay and large companies can accept Bitcoin, many large companies, then we're gonna have a boom as well of interest again, and I'm sure this is gonna be the thing to make Bitcoin goes to the moon. Okay, guys, this is it for today. Send us your questions, please. Do not forget to follow us. Please subscribe to the channel and send this post to people who are starting in crypto, so they know they are in the good time. They're, this is the time to start. Okay, this is the time to start and invest. All right, so guys, have a great day and talk to you soon. Tomorrow, me and Casca, maybe Wednesday, me and Casca are back here to give you more news on it. Take care and have a nice day. Bye bye.